Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another video, another DIY video. Yes, if you are not yet subscribed, is your first time here in this my channel, please consider subscribe on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for keep on turning in. May God continue to bless you all. Yes. So today is another DIY. Yes. So as you can see, I bought it €7.90. It was €9.90. So so this DIY, I'll be cutting them using a it's like a comb. I'll be using comb pin. So let me just say comb like comb pin, what you will use to to pin your hair, fix your hair without needle, without thread and needle. So this is what we are about to do. So the things I will need this comb here, but let's talk about this comb here. This is not the right comb, which I know this is not the right comb, but we have to do something with what we have. So I have this at home. I don't know it was this cap comb. I was thinking I have the pin for the extension. I don't know it was this pin I have, this comb I have. So there's nothing to do, is for us to manage what we have. So I will use this thread also with needle here to be sewing it, and also my scissors here to be cutting the thread, as you can see. Yes, so that is what we are going to be doing today. Now, so let's just pretend we are using the right pin. So let me remove it from the back. So this is how it look like. This is it. Extension is long. I use extension. This extension weave on. So yeah, so let's do something. So we need to do something. So that is it. So I will start cutting step by step, maybe this length. Yeah, there is something on my hair now, so I cannot measure my hair the way I want it, but I will do it step by step. Length one will be more than one. That is what I will be doing. So let me put that one aside. So this is the thread. It's for me to thread the needle.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Catching my photos, where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
So this is the final look of this hair clip weave on. Yeah, so weave on clip. So this is it with synthetic hair, with synthetic weave on. So this is it, curly hair, So this is how it look like. If you want to see how I use it, how I fix it on my hair, so you watch on my next video. So this is the final look. This is it. I hope you guys love it. If you know you love it, do not forget to share with friends, share with family, share with everyone. Share this video, please. So this is the end. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye. Juicy. Bye.